In this part of the series, we are going to start off with building up the chassis and bumpers. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolutionary XRC. Welcome to the first part of our boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 kit build. In this part of the series, we are going to start off with building up the chassis and bumpers. For the first part, step 1, the build of the chassis rails, you'll need these following parts. You'll need these 2 chassis rails, the 2 front shock hoops, the 2 rear shock hoops, I think this is the gearbox mount. These are the rear bumper mounts, 4 body posts, the body post pegs, 4 M3x10 button head screws, 4 M3x8 button head screws, 12 M3x10 countersunk screws, and 4 M3x3 grub screws. You'll also need thread lock. Now for the gearbox mount, make sure you have the right one. It should say L or R right here. This one says L. There's a flat side. Make sure that flat side of the peg is facing down. And that's what the grub screw holds on to. Alright, that completes part 1, or step 1, the chassis rail. For the next part of the chassis build, you'll need these following parts. You could find these parts right here on the foam tray. These 4 parts right here are inside this parts bag right here. And of course, use whatever screws you have left from the chassis A screw bag. And that includes 4 M3x12 button head screws, 4 M3x10 button head screws, and I believe 8 M3x10 countersunk screws. Now for the skid, make sure the 2 holes are facing the driver's side. For the servo mount and the battery tray, you'll need 4 M3x10 countersunk screws, 2 M3x12 button head screws, and 2 M3 lock nuts. Alright, for the bumper step, you'll need the 2 bumpers from that foam tray, 4 M3x10 countersunk screws, 2 M3x4 grub screws, and these 2 M3x5 hex cap screws. Start off with the rear bumper. Alright, I'm going to carefully thread these in, and I'll be right back. And that completes the install of the bumper. And that completes this part of the series of the BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 kit build, the chassis. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for future updates on this boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 388 kit build. Thanks for watching.